Hello and welcome. I'm the Theory Detective. In these lessons, we'll uncover the mystery of music theory. Now, our first sharp minor key was the key of E minor. Our second sharp minor key is the key of B minor. And for our sharps, just like with the major, we keep adding them on. So we're starting out with F sharp, and now we add C sharp to it. Let's take a look at what that actually looks like as a scale. Remember, this is going to be the natural minor scale. So I'm going to go ahead and put a nice lowercase b here. Lowercase for minor. B, then there's our C, so we have to add in a sharp. D, E, F, and we have to add in our sharp for that as well. G, A, and B. And I'll go ahead and put the numbers, counting from bottom to top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, or 1. Okay, now remember that when we find the tonic chord, we're always starting with 1. The tonic is the 1 chord. So right here is our B, so we want to find our B chord. Here's our B. We skip up to D and skip up to F. And that gives us our chord. Now remember again, F sharp and C sharp, these notes have to be raised to be sharp. So there's our F and there's our F. So we actually have to add in a sharp so that it matches. So it has the F sharp. So it's B, D, and F sharp. Let's go ahead and hear that chord. There's our minor chord. And minor, we're going to do a lowercase I. I for 1, or our tonic chord, and lowercase for minor. So I'm going to go ahead and put that here as well. I for 1. Okay. Now remember that when we find the dominant chord, we count from bottom to top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's our F sharp. Here's our F sharp. Let's go ahead and add in the sharp to be very distinct. F, skipping up, and skipping up again, and that is our C. So as we build the chord for F sharp, we have to remember to do the sharp on the C as well, because the C is also sharp, so we're going to add that in. So we now have F sharp, A, and C sharp. And finally, counting from the top to the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So a fifth above would be the F sharp chord. A fifth below would be the E chord. And that's going to be the minor chord, E minor. So we erase all of this so it doesn't confuse us. Here's our E. And there's our E. And instead of a 4, we're going to use a Roman numeral 4, so IV, and it's lowercase 4 minor. And I'll go ahead and play that for you. Here's the minor. There we are. B, F sharp, and B again, and E. There we are. I'll go ahead and put lowercase IV or 4, lowercase for minor, to remind us there as well. Now remember the rule for dominant, or the 5th chord, the 5 chord. That is, dominant must be major. Always, 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 whether the key is major or the scale is major, or whether the key or scale is minor. So even though this is B minor, we have to change our F sharp chord from a minor sound to a major sound. There we are. So instead of the A, we're going to raise the A to the A sharp. And now we have 3 sharps. This is actually a pretty funky looking chord. Oops. Oh no. Let's get this a little darker so you can see it. There we are. So now we have 3 sharps. We have our F sharp, we have our C sharp, and now we have an A sharp added in. So we have our 1 chord, minor, we have our F sharp chord, major, we have our E chord, minor, back to 1, and then 4, and then back to 1. There we are, 5. Remember the 5 chord, because it's always dominant, because it's always major, we have to put it in capital. So I'm going to do that as over here as well. And there's our 5 chord. 1, 5, and 4. And dominant is always major. Go ahead and take out your flashcards. We're going to make 3 more. A 1 chord in B minor. It, of course, is B minor. A 4 chord in B minor. It is E minor. And the 5 chord in B minor, and it is F sharp major. Remember to capitalize everything for major and lowercase everything for minor. Go ahead and add those to your practice pile, and as always, have a great day.